What you eat can either calm your cough or make it worse. If you're coughing a lot, start with honey. It coats the throat and helps reduce irritation. Ginger is another powerful option. It helps fight inflammation and can ease persistent coughing. Pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain, which helps break down mucus. Warm soups and herbal teas also soothe the throat and keep it moist. Now, here are foods you should avoid when coughing. Dairy products can thicken mucus and make coughing worse. Fried, oily, and sugary foods may irritate the throat and slow healing. Cold drinks and ice cream can trigger more coughing. Choose soothing foods, stay hydrated, and let your body heal naturally. Want more natural healing tips? Subscribe, like, share and comment.